When I first entered UPPGH, my mind was set to achieve one goal: to be a family and community medicine specialist. It has always been my dream, and never did I realize that getting into UPPGH will literally change my life. Sino ba mag-aakala na sa simpleng pa-sandwich at pa-soft drink sa OPD, as someone will sweep me off my feet? That is how I formally met Raymond. Raymond and I share a lot of similarities. We both went to UST for college. We both earned our Doctor of Medicine degree from PLM. We both loved family and community medicine. But despite being in the same places for several years, fate never brought our worlds together. Not until we started residency training at UPPGH. Parang sinadya ng tadhana na hindi talaga kami magtagpo hanggang sa dumating na nga kami sa UPPGH.
Unang tingin ko pa lang kay Nanette, I felt na she was different. She was special, she was endearing. And so our journey began as co-residents at the UPPGH DFCM. But love indeed is quite mysterious. After several years of being together, I gradually started to realize na meron pala talagang something with Nanette. I just couldn't see my future life without her.
And from then on, from 2001 to 2003, unti-unting nagbago ang relationship namin ni Raymond. Here was a person who showed his vulnerability to me. Perhaps hindi kami talaga love at first sight, pero deep down, we both knew we were nurturing something special.
Residency training at UPPGH DFCM was hard. And on our second year, I contemplated on quitting. I wanted to give up because toxicity in the clinical rotations was taking the best of me. Diyos ko Lord, talagang sinubukan ng katatagan ko noong mga panahon na nasa UPPGH pa ako. But during my weakest moments, Nanette was my anchor. And she kept me in the correct direction in realizing my dream, our dream. When I wanted to have my emotional catharsis, Nanette offered her sympathetic ear. Magaling siya mag-bracket kasi ng emotions. And she always showed unconditional positive regard.
Sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, merong sumibol sa aming mga puso. And everyone in the department stood witness to how our friendship blossomed into a fairy tale love story. From simple snacks at the DFCM outpatient department to 2 decades and countless romantic dinner dates together. Today, we celebrate our married life with a happy ever after. At ito ang aming kwentong UPPGH DFCM.
Hello, I am Dr. Nanette Ramilo Cruz. I am the Department Chair of the Family and Community Medicine Department of Hospital ng Muntinlupa. Okay, I belong to the batch 2003 of the Family and Community Medicine Department of PGH.
Hello, I'm Dr. Raymond Oliver Aquino Cruz. I am a consultant of the Hospital ng Muntinlupa Medical Center, Department of Family Medicine, from batch 2003. Almost quit nung second year ako because medyo hindi masaya yung mga rotations, very challenging. Pero buti na lang, magagaling ang counselors namin, ang aming mga consultants. They were able to convince me otherwise.
Si Dr. Junicio, si Dr. Corvera, and Dr.
Isidro, si Dr. Alepando.
Hi everyone, please join us this coming February 26, 2026 for our alumni homecoming. See you all!